This is why you need this easy birthday cake recipe. No stress, just pure deliciousness. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, milk, and vanilla extract. Oh, and don't forget the sprinkles. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a big bowl, mix the flour, sugar, and baking powder together. Now, add the butter and mix until it's all crumbly. Crack in the eggs and pour in the milk and vanilla. Stir until it's smooth like a dance move. Pour the batter into a greased cake pan. Pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool, then get creative with icing and sprinkles. And voila, you've just made a birthday cake that'll make everyone smile. Happy baking food.